Simon says you are now Simon.
I'm one of the controllers of the game now.
Alright everyone, it's time to write the exam.
Oh no, I forgot we had an exam today. Simon says cancel the exam.
Uh-oh. Everyone, the exam's canceled today. Thank goodness the exam was canceled. I didn't study.
1 second. Kevin's coming.
Hey, Guidryy.
Hi, Kevin. Simon says compliment her dress.
Simon says, that's a really nice dress.
Thanks. I got it from Hilara.
It's beautiful.
Simon says ask her out on a date.
Another Simon says, will you go on a date with me?
Of course. I'd love to.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm the creator of Simon Says. It's time.
Time?
It's time for you to kill someone. Why you lie about the guy? Is it true you lied? She should have died?
I didn't lie about the guy. She's not thinking clearly.
Dissy, rhyme it. They time it.
She's out of her mind. Seriously.
Okay, I'll believe you, but I got my eye on you like glue. I can't believe my best friend's gone. Bring him back. Come on.
They timed it and he couldn't rhyme it. It's the world we live in. We can never win.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Please. Rhyme it. They time it. You have so much to live for. I don't want to see you on the floor.
Anymore. I don't know. You look down. What's with the frown?
I just saw someone get killed.
Your head is a mess, but you can't stress. They time it. You need to rhyme it. Be the stepmother, I be the princess. Princess.
Sissy? They time it. Rhyme it.
You'll be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up, Sissy. They time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess. We played just like recess.
Why'd you shoot? I want to dispute.
We time it and she didn't rhyme it.
She's still breathing. She might not be leaving. Please let me try and save my sister. I'd miss her.
Go, but tell anyone about this and I'll know. She's going to be okay. You can visit her where she stay.
Sissy, I missed you, little missy.
One of our partners nearly killed your sister. Tell us what happened with the mister.
He timed it and she rhymed it. He shot her by mistake. His mind must have been on break.
Why you lie about the guy? Happy birthday, daughter of mine. I bought you a gift that is so divine.
Thank you.
You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it.
Thank you for this gift. It was really on my list.
Yo, bro, can I have a bite of that orange? Orange. You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it. I don't know what rhymes with orange. What rhymes with orange?
Come on, you need to rhyme it. They time it.
Nothing rhymes with orange. Dissy, you're home. Come play with me. I was all alone.
Of course I'll play. How could I stay away?
Perfect. You be the stepmother and I'll be the princess. Princess.
Sissy, they time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up. They time it. Rhyme it.
Humans, you may now exit your incubators. Good news, human number 69,000. Hazard levels are low today. You'll be able to attend school outside.
No way.
Do you have all your protective equipment on?
Yes, I'm all ready.
Here, take this oxygen can with you in case oxygen levels drop while you're outside.
Thank you. Wow. Outside.
Wow, it's so great to see other humans.
I know, isn't it?
Danger, don't stand too close to each other.
I think I'm alone.
Hey.
We're not supposed to be so close to each other.
And you're not supposed to take your face shield off.
You're right.
Can I hold your hand? No, without gloves. Danger. Stop laughing. What's going on here? You killed Officer Brad. Uh-oh. We're gonna need backup. Did you hear? She killed 3 police officers when she was 7.
You know I can hear you, right? I was just a kid. I was traumatized from my mom just passing away. I couldn't control it.
You're a murderer. A psycho.
I can't listen to this any longer.
Hey, are you okay? I can't believe what they're saying about you.
I'm used to it.
Want to hang out after school? There's somewhere I want to show you. We're almost there.
Where are you taking me?
We're here.
In the middle of nowhere?
You know those 3 police officers you killed? One of them was my dad. Aw, you're so silly putting stickers on your face. No! You killed your big sister! You can't ever laugh. It kills people. Look what you've done!
Sissy!
Here, before coming into the classroom, you must put this tape over your mouth.
Why?
It's a precaution issued by the school board, as kids are the highest risk for laughter. I don't want to wear the tape anymore. You must wear it.
We're just kids. He didn't do it on purpose.
Listen, kid. I saved your life. You could have died. You should be thanking me.
Mommy, you forgot to pick me up from school.
Good evening.
Police officer.
There was an incident of laughing at your mother's work. She didn't make it. Stop laughing.
Only be able to tell the truth or only be able to lie? Only be able to tell the truth. I don't want to only lie. Huh?
I love you, beautiful.
I hate you, ugly.
What? You hate me? Do you not love me anymore?
No, I don't.
So what? Do you want to break up then?
Yes.
Fine then. We're over. Forever.
Yes. Go away.
Did you do the homework?
No.
Well, what are you giving me then? Is this the homework?
No, it's not.
You said you didn't finish the homework. What are you giving me then?
No, I didn't finish the homework. I don't want you to take it.
Keep it then.
Ugh.
All the money we raised for charity was taken out of the safe. Does anyone know what could have happened? Brianna?
I know.
Who did it then? Was it you?
Yes.
Sissy!
No. Ellie?
Sissy!
Ellie! Did they lock you in the cabinet?
Hurry, I'm losing oxygen.
No. This better be the one. Ellie!
I'm so glad you found me. It was so scary. They took me and hid me in the cabinet.
This game is sick.
Brianna, why do you look so down today?
My little sister was chosen to be hidden this morning. I almost didn't find her in time.
How about we make a pact? Pinky promised that if either of us gets hidden, we'll find each other.
Pinky promise.
It's your turn to be hidden.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby.
Why is everyone singing?
Attention all citizens. Singing has now become contagious. You must wear earplugs at all times to stop the spread. Mary had a little lamb. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetops. Ashes, ashes.
Everyone's singing.
Hey, take out your earplugs.
What?
It's just me and you.
It's just us?
Yes.
Okay.
Ring around the rosies. Ring around the rosies. Morning.
Good morning.
Here's your happy pill. Have a great day.
Every day is a great day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's your happy pill.
I wonder.
Did you take it?
Yes.
Have a great day.
Every day is a great day. Everything's so great.
Hi, Bestie. Why aren't you smiling? Did you take your happy pill?
How could someone be happy in this world? It's so gray and dark.
What do you mean? It's so bright and beautiful.
Look at the streets. It's covered in homeless people with no shelter or warmth.
But look at them. They're happy. They're smiling.
They're freezing and starving to death. Everything's getting darker and darker.
We need an emergency happiness injection. Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of help! Rosies, ashes. Here's your earplugs back. I was wrong. You might actually need them.
I saw someone die. Was it just him or were there others?
There were 3 others who didn't cover their ears in time. Hey, they canceled school for the day. Go home and get some rest.
Mom, I'm home.
Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing.
Little lamb.
Emily, why are you singing? I told you not to. It kills people.
Its fleece was white.
Mom! Mom, there's something wrong with Emily. She won't stop singing. She's going to kill someone.
Mary had a little lamb.
Why are you singing?
Little lamb.
I need to get out of here. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby. Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing. Where did you learn to sing?
I don't know, I just heard it on the TV.
You only sing when you want to kill someone. They play that on the TV because they want you to sing, but you can't, okay?
Okay. Honey, are you off to school now?
Yeah, I am.
You forgot to wear your earplugs. You must always keep them on while you're in public.
Do I have to wear them?
It's for your protection. You never know when someone could start singing. Hey, girl. Hey!
Ouch!
Now I got your attention.
What?
Keep out those earplugs. I want to talk to you.
My mom makes me wear them. She says you never know when someone could start singing.
Come on, hand them over. We're at school. No one would start singing here. Bring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Help! Your name is Simon? Are you the one running Simon Says?
I'm one of many. There's one of us in every school, every workplace, but you can't tell anyone about this.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I think you're cute, and I'd like to be in a relationship with you.
Okay. Let's be in a relationship then.
Great.
Mom, I'm home. I had a really rough day. What are you doing? Put the gun away from your head.
Simon Says, let her do it. I got a Simon Says to kill you, but I can't do it. I have to off myself instead.
Mom! Simon, did you tell my mom to kill me?
Simon Says, don't reveal his identity. I only did it because I knew she wouldn't hurt you and would end up offing herself instead. What are you doing?
Simon Says, go to hell.
Simon Says, kill your best friend.
What are you doing?
God, as Simon Says, I have no choice. I have to kill you.
I got the same one. Look, we can find a way out of this.
How can we get out of this?
There is no way out.
Simon Says, don't blink. Oh no, I'm gonna blink. Simon Says, once someone blinks, everyone will be able to blink again. Hey! No, please don't. She snapped fingers in my face. She cheated!
I can't do this anymore.
What's wrong?
I don't even know who I am anymore. First I kill my best friend, then I make someone lose and Simon Says and...
You're not a bad person. You can't blame yourself for what the game makes you do.
You're nice. What's your name?
It's Simon. Simon Says, everyone touch their nose.
Hurry, everyone touch their nose.
Everyone touch their head. Hurry up, everyone touch their head.
No, they didn't say Simon Says.
Simon Says, rip your test paper in half. Brianna, why did you rip your test? You won't be given another one.
That's okay. I got a Simon Says.
Simon Says, everyone stand still. Everyone start walking. Don't move, they didn't say Simon Says. Simon Says, start moving. These Simon Says are getting worse and worse. I got a Simon Says to break up with my boyfriend.